What if I told you there are animals on Earth with powers that look completely fake? A shrimp with one of the fastest strikes in nature. A creature tough enough to survive the harsh conditions of outer space for limited periods under certain conditions. An octopus that can camouflage itself so perfectly, it almost disappears. And one of these animals might even inspire future human technology. And the craziest part, these aren't movie monsters. They're real. These are real biological superpowers. Today we're diving into animals with actual superpowers. And by the end of this video, you might realize humans are kind of underpowered. Meet the mantis shrimp. At first glance, it looks harmless, tiny, colorful, almost cute. But evolution turned this little animal into one of the fastest strikers in the animal kingdom. Its strike moves so fast that the surrounding water briefly vaporizes for a split second. Yeah, underwater. And this all happens in milliseconds. When it strikes, it creates something called a cavitation bubble. As the bubble collapses, it releases an intense burst of energy, heat, and light. Inside that collapsing bubble, temperatures can briefly approach those on the surface of the sun, all from a shrimp punch. Quick quiz. Which animal has the stronger punch compared to its body size? A. Lion. B. Human boxer. Or C. Mantis shrimp. Pause the video and guess. The answer, the mantis shrimp. Some aquarium tanks have even cracked from their strikes. Imagine needing reinforced glass for shrimp. And scientists are already studying these biological mechanics to improve advanced materials and engineering systems. Now imagine being able to camouflage yourself so perfectly, you almost disappear. That's basically what octopuses can do. And they're not just changing color, they're changing texture too. Their skin contains special cells called chromatophores. These cells rapidly expand and shrink pigments across their skin. But that's only part of the trick. Specialized muscles and skin structures help reshape their appearance to mimic rocks, coral, and sand. It's basically biological CGI. Some octopuses are so intelligent they solve puzzles, escape containers, and even recognize individual humans. Scientists have also observed them exploring objects out of curiosity. Imagine discovering an alien intelligence, but it's been hiding underwater this whole time. And humans are already trying to copy them. Scientists study octopus camouflage to create adaptive robotics, rescue technology, and flexible materials. Nature invented the technology first. Again, deep in South American rivers lives something straight out of science fiction, the electric eel. And yes, it can generate electricity inside its own body. Imagine evolution deciding, you know what this fish needs? Lightning. Special cells called electrocytes act like tiny biological batteries. When activated together, they create powerful electrical discharges. Some electric eels can release hundreds of volts in a single shock. Although voltage alone doesn't determine danger, electrical current matters too. Quick challenge. How many AA batteries do you think would match the voltage of a strong electric eel discharge? 5, 10, 20? Some powerful electric eels can generate voltage comparable to multiple small batteries connected together. It's basically a biological power plant. And here's the weird part. Your nervous system also runs on electrical signals. So technically, your body is electrical too, just less dramatic. This tiny creature might be one of the toughest known life forms on Earth, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. It may be small, but it is practically indestructible. Tardigrades can survive extreme freezing, extreme heat, high pressure, massive radiation, and some have even survived exposure to the harsh conditions of outer space for limited periods. They are the ultimate survivors. When conditions become dangerous, tardigrades can enter a survival state called cryptobiosis. Their bodies nearly shut down until conditions improve. It's like biological pause mode. Imagine humans surviving disasters by temporarily switching into low power mode. Alright, which animal power is the craziest so far? The shrimp punch, octopus camouflage, electric attacks, or surviving space itself? And which power do you think scientists are trying hardest to copy? Let us know. Because this next creature might already be watching you. Eagles don't shoot lasers, but their eyesight is so powerful, it almost feels unfair. Eagles can spot small prey from remarkable distances while flying high overhead. Their vision is estimated to be several times sharper than ours. If humans had eagle vision, you could potentially read signs from absurd distances. Nature turned birds into flying sniper scouts. Nature turned birds into incredibly efficient long-distance observers, and it reminds us of something important. Superpowers don't always look flashy. Sometimes their quiet advantages perfected over millions of years. The strangest part about these animals is that evolution created them naturally. No laboratories, no magic, no superheroes. Just millions of years of adaptation. Every creature on Earth is solving the same problem. How do I survive? And over millions of years, evolution transformed survival problems into biological superpowers. The solutions nature creates are often more creative than fiction. So here's one final question. If humans could copy one animal superpower, which would you choose? Camouflage, electricity, extreme strength, or survival? Let me know in the comments, because the next world-changing invention might already be hiding somewhere in nature, waiting for us to notice it. The universe is full of unbelievable things. Tiny creatures with impossible abilities, hidden worlds beneath the ocean, mysteries we still don't fully understand. And the best part? There's always more to discover, so stay curious, keep questioning, and keep learning. Because every great explorer, scientist, inventor, and dreamer started with one simple thought. Wait, how is that possible? This is Learn with Adeesha, where curiosity becomes adventure. Thanks for watching.